Hi there, I'm Sarah from sarahkbrandis.com, small business marketing made simple for life coaches and authors. Today I'm just going to really quickly and simply explain to you the term sales funnel, because I know a lot of people who are new to small business, when it comes to learning about the marketing side of things, they hear all these buzzwords like sales funnel and it becomes a bit overwhelming before they've even started. And it's not really that technical. In the digital world, a sales funnel is more manageable than in the, let's say, brick and mortar business world. But all a sales funnel is your customer's journey. And when it's digital, if it's online, then you've got a lot more control over it because you design the website that they go to, you design the landing page or the sales page that they visit, you design the ads if you're using ads, you design the email response they get when they sign up for something. So you really are in the driving seat. So a really typical sales funnel that you might use to grow your email list and to begin to build a client database is just a free opt-in. So you could call it a sales funnel, but essentially it's just an opt-in. They're just going to end up giving you their email address. So for what this might look like, if you were the customer, is you might be scrolling through your Facebook feed and you might see a post. Perhaps it's sponsored, perhaps it's an ad, perhaps it's an organic one that the person hasn't paid for you to see, but you've seen it and it says something about the thing you're interested in and click here to download my free template or to watch my free video series or whatever the free gift is. You will then click the button to see more. You'll go to a page that has more information, perhaps just copy, perhaps a graphic, perhaps a video. Now, this is either called your sales page, your landing page, or your opt-in page. It's all just jargon and it all means the same thing. It's basically the page where the conversion happens. And most commonly, it's not actually hosted on your own website. It's commonly going to be hosted on a third-party application. Some really common ones are leadpages.co, which is confusing because the lead page is the name of the lead page and it's also the name of the company who provides it. But don't get hung up on that. But don't get hung up on that. It's not anything that you need to worry about. Hang on, I just scratched my nose again. A really popular one is leadpages.co, which is the name of the company that provides the third-party application. It's also the name of the thing that you're using. Lead pages make lead pages. So don't get confused and don't get hung up on that. It's simple, really. It's basically just another way to host really clean, really well-designed web pages that are optimized for opt-ins, be that free opt-ins or sales conversions. The reason that they're optimized is twofold. One, if you look at the typical website out there, and a typical page on a typical website has got stuff going on. There's the menu bar across the top. There are perhaps widgets at the bottom. There's other things going on vying for your attention. When you go to a nicely well-designed lead page, it's very sleek. And the only thing you're looking at is the one thing that you're there for, this product that you're interested in. So it's distraction free, and that's the first reason they're great. The second reason is the layout. They are designed with a bit of human psychology in mind, that when you fill out the template on a lead page, you're going to go in the right order with your information. You're going to start with a welcome, what's this about, bit of information about the problem that this product solves, perhaps a video, and then a bit further down, if it's a high value opt-in, it's particularly important to have a bit of something that really demonstrates the value you offer, something that handles the objections that a typical client would have. So testimonials are a great thing at this point. And then you're going to have an opt-in button, which is going to be either top, middle, bottom, or if you're using something like Eventbrite, which is really lead pages for events, that button scrolls up and down with the reader, so it's never too far out of sight. And psychologically, that's important because people are very quick to decide, but when they decide, yes, I'm going to opt in, you've got a very small window of time to present them with that button, and I'm talking seconds, so you do not want to make them hunt for it. What I see a lot of people, particularly a lot of my clients who are coaches, I see a lot of people doing this wrong. They will build out what they believe is their lead page, landing page, sales page, whatever you want to call it. They'll build it out on their website, which, as we've already discussed, is distracting. But what they'll also do is if they're going to do a button, they'll do it right at the bottom, and they won't think about having it further in different places or scrolling, so that when people decide I'm ready, they can't just click, they have to go looking for it. What they might also do wrong is they might not have a button at all. They might just say, because they don't know how to use their website very well, they'll just finish their sales copy with something like, if you're interested, email me here to book. That just fails so horribly. And there are a few psychological reasons that fails as well. So one, humans are lazy, and I include myself in this. We all are. This is a fact of today, with the online world being so fast paced. We want to click when we want to click. If we decide to buy, we need to get on with it. Otherwise, that momentum is lost, and it gets lost very quickly. If I have to go off the web page that I'm on, go to my inbox to write an email to the coach to say, yes, I would like to book a session with you, I'm going to get so distracted. The second I go to my inbox, all of my unread emails pop up, and I'm like, oh no, I've got to read these emails, and I'm distracted. So having a really well-designed lead page with an opt-in button eliminates all of that distraction. This is what they mean when they say optimized for conversions. This is what they're talking about. The other thing is, it just doesn't look as smooth and slick. And because we've all surfed the internet a lot and we've all seen smoother, slicker websites out there, if you've not got the same thing on yours, then psychologically there's a bit of dissonance there where we go, ooh, this person's a bit behind the times. So yeah, for all of those reasons, I think that lead pages or sales pages or the whole slick sales funnel thing is very, very important. But I don't want to digress from the point too much. What I wanted to tell you today was what a sales funnel is. So that lead page is a critical part of the whole process. And then beyond that lead page, when somebody has opted in, a really important thing that will happen in the sales funnel is they will get instant confirmation from you. So if you've got this all set up right, they will get a confirmation email from you straight away saying, thanks. If it's a free opt-in, then here's your free thing that you asked for. If it's a paid conversion that you've just made, it'll be thank you. Here's confirmation that payment has been received. Perhaps the invoice or receipt will be attached. And the next steps for that person, which are very, very important. If you've sold them something that's an online product, they need instant access. So again, it's all part of the sales funnel. Even after the point of sale, the way that you interact with people online is absolutely critical to keep them with you. What a lot of small businesses forget is that the vast majority of their ongoing income is going to come from repeat customers. So once a customer has come down your sales funnel, it's critical to keep them engaged and happy, because they will keep going in a circle. They'll keep being a warm lead for the next product and a customer, and a warm lead for the next product and a customer. Plus, they're your evangelists. Testimonials are absolutely critical in small business, and your happy customers are going to bring more happy customers to you. So yeah, do not forget the end part of the sales funnel. That was a long ramble. I hope some of that made sense. If you would like to talk to me about your small business and where you may be missing out by not having a smooth sales funnel in place, I'd be happy to discuss it with you. If you come to my website, sarahkbrandis.com, just thinking what I was saying about sales funnels, you'll see buttons on my website. Click a button for a free consultation and just talk to me. Let me answer your questions first. And if you think you'd like to work with me, then we can make arrangements. Hope that was helpful, and see you soon. Bye.